cruelty-free, vegan, and a variety of beauty products. I think you guys are going to love this box. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and a review of the Kinder Beauty Box. Before I get into it, I wanna tell you guys a little bit about this company real quick. So this is the Kinder Beauty Box. It's a monthly subscription box and the boxes start at $24 a month. Each month has a different value of products. This one is actually the March box. They completely sold out of January and February's box, but this is the March box and it has $82 worth of beauty products in here. Every box includes hair care, skin care, makeup, accessories. They give you a good variety of products. April's box is actually going to be filled with $100 worth of beauty products. So this company came up with Kinder Beauty to help raise awareness about animal testing. All of the products in the Kinder Beauty boxes are cruelty-free and vegan. So there is no animal testing on any of the products in this box. The box is also filled with recyclable and eco-friendly materials, and a portion of the proceeds from the Kinder Beauty box goes to various animal rights groups each month. Okay, so now that I've given you the lowdown, let's see what's inside. To be honest with you, Alan was digging in it a minute ago because when I first opened it, I seen it had a bath bomb, so he was snooping through it. Anyways, so here is a paper and it gives you information about all of the products that is in the box. I can see that Alan was digging in the bath bomb. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you each product. So the first thing we have here, which I actually used last night because I was just dying to, this is a coconut cream shea butter hand cream, and this smells absolutely amazing. The first hint of the smell is very tropical, but as it kind of sits on your hands for a while, it just smells like pure coconut. It says a tube full of dreams. Comfort your hands with supple softness. This rich shea butter cream nourishes dry skin with subtle notes of dreamy coconut. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, vegan, 96% natural. It's retail for $15 and it feels amazing, just let me tell you that. Next up, we have a mascara, and this is from the brand 100% Pure, which I have used before, and they have some really good products. So this is a maracuja oil mascara. It's volumizing, and it also says black tea on it. It's natural and vegan. This retails for $26. I have not used this yet. Check this out, how pretty it is. It's silver, it's got flowers on it. This says it won't clump or flake. It's infused with lash conditioning vitamins and deeply pigmented by tea, cocoa, and coffee beans. Wow, so this is definitely all natural. And this wand looks amazing. I cannot wait to try that. Oh, did I just get some on my nose? I've never tried an all-natural mascara before, so this is going to be fun to test out. Next up, we have a Botanical Steam Washington Square. It has rose petals, lavender buds, and calendula flowers. You're supposed to bring 4 cups of water to a boil, put a few tablespoons of this, pour steaming water over the blend, allow it to cool slightly, place a towel over your head to create a steam, and then breathe deeply and enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, I've never owned anything like this before. This is very unique. This retails for $22. This also has peppermint leaf, hibiscus petals, calendula flowers, corn flowers, and lemon verbena leaf to gently moisturize. It removes pollutants, deeply cleanses, and dislodges dirt from pores. It smells so good, so good. That is gonna be so fun to try out. Next up, we have some Palo Santo wood stick bundle. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but these are known as holy wood. It is said to increase relaxation and bring joy and harmony into your home. Whether you light them or simply place them around the house, they are certain to delight the senses. These retail for $4.50. The brand is Soulmakes, and just little pieces of wood, but they smell very good. There's a little hint of coconut. They are very pleasing to smell, I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna try these out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna light them or just set them around, but Maybe I'll just hold them and smell them all day because they smell really nice. Next up we have a sheet mask, and this is from Eve Hansen. This is an antioxidant sheet mask. It has a potent blend of antioxidants and ingredients that are designed to reduce skin irritation and redness, soothe UVA sun-damaged skin, and enhance overall skin nourishment and rejuvenation. This one does not have the retail price on the paper, but this looks really nice. It's got lemons, oranges, and limes, and flowers on the packaging. So this is gonna be a really nice face mask. It says it has healing powers of spinach, citrus, red wine, and a natural antioxidant infusion. Oh, it's gonna improve skin's elasticity, rejuvenate and nourish, reduce redness, and soothe UVA sun-damaged skin. That will be nice this summer if I get a little sunburn. And next up we have a bath bomb from the Kind Poppy, and it's wrapped in this purple paper here with a little tie around it. And this says it has baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, organic coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, essential oils, and flower petals. Lavender or rose hibiscus. These are handmade bath bombs. They're carefully crafted to produce an incredibly mild, soothing, and nourishing fizz. Have pure essential oils that will give you a spa experience, but also smooth, soft, and radiant skin. Can't really smell it through the plastic packaging, but I'll definitely be trying this out because we do love bath bombs. And like I said, everything in here is eco-friendly and recyclable, because I know a lot of you are into that. I think a lot of you guys would like this box because it's not just a box full of makeup or a box full of like one certain category of things. This is a nice variety box that I think anybody would absolutely love. Very pampering items. We do have this makeup item here I can't wait to try, but I think this is a perfect little box. And these smell so nice. I'm gonna have to look into this and see how you would burn them. So what do you guys think about this box? Cruelty-free, vegan, donates to animal rights. These look like some amazing products. And I'm really glad I got this because it's kind of different than what I normally would get or even own. Like, I really can't wait to try out the steam mixture. I've already tried the lotion, it's awesome. I can't wait to try out the bath bomb, the face mask, and the mascara. I think that's gonna be fun. I would love to hear your thoughts. This is called the Kinder Beauty Box, so if you guys wanna check it out, I will leave all of the information down below. They also ship worldwide, so it's not US only, so all of my friends out there in other countries, this is something you can check out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I am gonna be trying out each of these products. I already tried out the lotion and it's amazing, super moisturizing, smells like pure, beautiful coconuts. But I haven't tried the other items out yet, so I'll be testing them out and I'll let you guys know my thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and what do you think about this new location I'm filming in? This is my little office. I thought I would just film here to switch it up a little bit. I thought it would be cool. That's just my opinion. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Don't forget to check out the Kinder Beauty Box.